Hi, my name is Jessie, and today we are going to talk about digital currencies. Digital currency is any currency that has only digital representation. It can be accessed only by using an electronic device such as a laptop or a smartphone. With digital currency you can pay for products or services, as long as it is accepted by other parties. Digital currency can be centralized or decentralized. Centralized currency is controlled by a single organization, usually by its issuer. Decentralized currency does not have a single point of control, and has other means of regulation. A good example of centralized currency is a central bank digital currency, CBDC in short. It is issued and regulated by the central bank of the country which adopted it. A lot of countries around the world started working on different CBDC implementations. What inspired them to start this initiative? Some countries recognize potential threat from popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, while others hope to improve transparency of their national economies. As opposed to CBDC, there are also unregulated digital currencies, virtual currencies. Those are not issued or controlled by central banks, but rather by private organizations. A well-known example of virtual currency is a cryptocurrency. It uses cryptographic algorithms to ensure security of transactions. Each currency unit, usually called a token or a coin, can be bought or sold. Coin ownership information at a certain point in time is stored in a system called a ledger. When a transaction happens, ownership information in the ledger is updated. There can be many different implementations of a ledger. The most well-known is a blockchain. And the infamous cryptocurrency, which is based on blockchain, is called Bitcoin. Bitcoin is an example of decentralized virtual currency secured by cryptography. Both Bitcoin and blockchain would be reviewed in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please, like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Jessie, power off.